Yeah. You know, you can hear like a... What was that? That was you? Are you making those noises, Jack? Jack's
Journal. Hi guys, welcome back to Jack's Journal. Today we're going to go on another adventure.
Another adventure, really? And you have a mask? You're protecting yourself? That's very good, Jack. Right.
Quarantine.
So what are we gonna do? It's like a forest adventure? Are we going to a forest?
Let's see the people walking over
Yeah? Wow, the forest adventure. Okay, let's see how we're gonna go, okay? All right, Jack. We're here, right? Look at that rock. Oh my God, it's almost your size. Yeah? It's huge. Look at that.
Bigger than me.
Bigger than you?
Bigger than me.
Yeah, that's very good. Wow. All right, let's see. Let's see over here. Okay. We can see that there is very nice.
This is a squiggly tree.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
All right.
This is a squiggly tree.
Squiggly trees. Yeah? Okay, let's see. What do you think we will find here, Jack?
I think we'll find chipmunks.
What? Chipmunks? All right, let's see, all right? So what can we hear there, Jack? Listen.
Birds. Oh, see this squirrel.
Yeah? All right. Let's see how is it. The forest. All right, Jack. Don't go too far away. Yes? You found a path? Oh, there is a sign. Okay, these signs help us not to get lost. All right, so every time we see that, means that we're in the right track, right?
On the right path.
On the right path, okay. So, Jack, what do you think you're gonna find here?
Chipmunks again.
And what else? You think we can find a hidden treasure here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Maybe, right? All right,
We're
we'll
on
see.
the right path.
Yeah. We are on the right path? Let's see. Oh, yeah. Right there. Good job, Jack. Wow. You can see a lot of trees that has fallen. You know why the trees fall, Jack?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Because they're old.
They're old? All the trees are probably old. That's why they're big and wide. But that's not a reason for them to fall.
What do you think?
Well, look. I can see.
Cool.
Oh, that's a big square. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look, there is a tree here that has fallen. It falls. Now, watch out with the rocks on the. Yeah, there you go. Good. Let's go that way. Look, you can see the mark over here. Look, the mark is over there.
Oh yeah, this mark is over there.
So, Jack. All right. There you go, Jack. Look at that. Jack. Huh? A chipmunk? Oh, I missed it. Okay, Jack. So let me tell you. Yeah? What? Chipmunk? Chipmunk?
You probably zoom in.
All right. For those who doesn't know who's a chipmunk, what is a chipmunk, Jack?
It's a tiny squirrel that has little spikes. That has little like strings on the back.
Oh, okay. And its tail is like big as a squirrel?
No.
No, it's tiny.
Because it's a baby squirrel.
Oh, it's a baby squirrel? That's what a chipmunk is?
Chipmunk is a baby squirrel.
Kind of. Yeah. Oh, I can see him there. I don't know if you guys can see.
Zoom in.
That's a chipmunk. Oh,
Zoom in.
look. Yeah, I can see it.
Zoom in.
Look at that chipmunk. Hey, chipmunk. All right, Jack, we're getting into the deep forest. Look at that.
I don't think we're on the right path because I don't see any signs.
We'll see them soon. Don't
I
worry.
see one right there.
You see? Oh, so we are in the right path then, right?
That looks like a chipmunk.
Yeah. All right, Jack. Look at that. Look at those rocks. Looks like somebody left a clue here. Look, you can see it's all round. And it has a really weird shape around.
Like it's swirling.
Yeah, look at that. And then there is a pile of rocks here. This is strange, Jack.
We should go inside.
Who do you think put those rocks like this, Jack?
I went in.
You went inside the circle? What happened? Yeah. All right. All right. We continue with the adventure, Jack. Right? Are we on the right track?
Wow, look, it says go that way.
You should go that way. Oh, we can see the signs there. Right? You want to turn around and go that way?
No, look, this is not sign there.
Another one there.
We should go here.
All right. You want to go this way? Let's see. We're getting deeper and deeper into the forest. You can see different kind of leaves, trees, all different kind of shapes, right?
The caterpillars ate them.
What?
The caterpillars are eating them.
Yeah, that's why it has holes. And we can see a little, like a little bee, or what is that, a fly?
Fly, I think.
Yeah. All right, wow. No, just look at
Oh, wow, it's moving, look.
it. Yeah, it's very cool, right?
Mhm.
Jack, and with that mask that you have, is like kind of a camouflage.
Mhm.
Huh?
But it has white spots.
Oh yeah. All right, this is very
I
interesting.
think that's a big centipede.
Yeah. Which one?
That's a big centipede.
Which one?
That's a big
That one? No, that's a leaf.
No, that's a big centipede.
No, it's a leaf.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's something similar.
Oh, look, don't touch that.
Why?
They have like
Like spikes?
the
Like
spikes.
something like. Oh, it's very pointy.
Yeah,
Look at
don't
those
touch
spikes.
them.
Oh, that's very cool, right, Jack?
Make the camera touch it.
No.
Camera touch it.
All right. At least we're in the right path because we can see the signs on the trees.
Huh?
That keeps us on the right track.
Huh?
All right. So, Jack, what do you like the most about the forest?
The path and stuff.
Yeah.
So much nature.
Nature.
Mm.
Uh huh. It's pretty cool, right?
Mm.
Yeah.
Really
Look,
cool.
that's another tree that's
Fallen by a beaver.
by a beaver. You think a beaver knocked down the tree?
Huh?
You think a beaver did that? Really?
Mm.
And look, those are the roots of the big trees that are around us. And you can see they're coming out on the path.
Because this is a downhill.
It's a downhill?
Yeah, so it helps us not fall.
Really? Wow. Look, another tree right here. Look, you can
there's
see
a
that?
big hole or like
Oh,
a net.
do you think that's somebody big thing, creature step on there? Do you think that's yeah or not? A footprint? Do you think that's
Dinosaur?
do you think that's a footprint, Jack?
I think that's a net.
I don't know. It looks like a footprint. What do you
This is a
think?
net.
And maybe whoever made this footprint knocked down this tree. What do you think, Jack?
I think we're on the right path.
We are on the right path? Yes, right here. We can see another sign over there.
Little,
Look, somebody made a path here with those trunks. Look at that.
the broken trunk,
With the logs.
the broken log.
Yeah? All right. There's another sign over there, so we're in the right track, right, Jack? All right.
No more roots.
More roots. Wow, so you better watch your steps.
A chipmunk.
Chipmunk. Oh, right there, another one. Look at that.
A chipmunk.
Another chipmunk. Look at that. Jack decided to take his mask off because nobody's here. We are way deep in the forest and probably we are the only ones around, right, Jack? We are very deep into the forest. And Jack feels safe now. He doesn't need a mask right now, right? Okay. Okay, let's see. Are we going in there? Good? All right, let's see. We'll keep going into. I don't know if you guys can hear all the noises, like the birds.
Look at the flowers.
Yeah. You know, you can hear like a. What was that? That was you? Are you making those noises, Jack? You can see that. All right, Jack. Where should we go? Should we go to the right or the left? Eeny miny?
Let me see if I can see a sign.
I don't know, you tell us. I think it's this way, Jack. Jack. All right, good job. Let's see. We're going that way. You want to go and take a break? Have a little water?
Yeah.
Huh?
Blue, 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 blue,
Blue, Look, Jack, there's a hole there. A hole. Look at that.
Yeah, that's a rat hole.
A rat hole? You think it's a... Oh, another one. Look at that. They're neighbors.
Get away from it.
You want to get away from that?
Yeah.
Think it's dangerous?
Yeah.
Maybe, right?
The last time you said that was dangerous.
Yeah, last time I told you that could be a rat hole, and that's not safe, right? Yeah. Chipmunks around there. Yeah.
I thought that was a rat.
A rat. You'll see rats very rare during the day. They come out more at nighttime, I think. For the most part. I mean, not always. It's not like a entire 100% true thing, but they like to come out at night. You know? So, look
So
at
we're
that.
not supposed to come out here at night.
No.
Because they're rats.
Exactly.
That might be a rat.
Maybe. Yes. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
I
Good
never
job.
saw signs. We never seen
Look,
signs.
this is very... Look, Jack. You think this is another... Somebody step on there? Something weird? Look at that. Is this a footprint, Jack?
Wet.
Do you think this is a footprint?
No, but I see
What do you
another one
think?
here. I see it, and probably someone peed in there. An animal peed.
Yeah. I don't think so. I think it rained. You know, like yesterday it rained a lot. So that's why it's
Yeah,
a
me
little
too.
wet.
Yeah, me too. I was just joking.
Yeah.
Look at these big.
There's a lot of leaves there.
Oh, don't
And
touch
they're...
those. They're
Look at
sharp.
this. What do you think is this, Jack?
Whoa.
Hmm?
I think we never know. That might be poisonous.
Yeah? No.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I heard, like, Papa, I heard on science in my school,
Uh-huh.
yeah, like some like a purple one is like a purple flower is poisonous.
So Jack decided to put his mask back on,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah. Daddy decided to put his mask.
Yeah.
Ah,
Now let's see. There is another. This looks very interesting down here, Jack. It's a lot of fallen trees. And look at that bird over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, it flew away. Oh, look at this, Jack. All the trunks has a very interesting color right here. Look. Whoa, this is pretty. No, Jack. Look, this is very strange. So, Jack, what do you think this is? What are you doing? This is a sign. You think that's the X-Men sign?
no.
No? Look, it's right on top of this hole over here.
Yeah.
Hmm?
This rock is right directly up on the sun.
Yeah. All right. So you think that the sun will hit right on the center at one point,
Uh-huh.
and maybe make like a hidden path or like a hidden sign, right?
Mhm.
What do you think?
Yeah.
This is very strange, right?
Mhm.
All right.
When the sun gets directly on there,
Mm-hmm.
then something will show.
Really?
Uh-huh.
We better find out next time we come, right?
Uh-huh.
All right. Let's go. Poop.
Good.
That's poop. Okay, be careful. Yeah. No, it's not a poop.
Oh yeah, that's not good.
All right, Jack. Look. Whoa, what's
There's
that?
a rat hole.
Is that a woodpecker, Jack, over here?
Yeah. But look at that.
Yeah.
Woodpecker.
Do you hear that, Jack?
Uh-huh.
What do you think that's that noise?
A
A
wood. Oh, there's a
woodpecker?
woodpecker hole.
Yeah? Let's see.
Woodpecker hole.
Where? Oh, right here.
Mhm.
You think a woodpecker made that?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Can you hear the woodpecker? So what do you think is making that sound, Jack?
A woodpecker, and it's Woody from the Woody Woodpecker.
You think Woody the woodpecker is making that noise?
Woody.
All right.
Right?
Yeah, so Jack wants to go up to this hill. I don't know if you can see that, but it's very deep, very big hill. I don't know if the video you can appreciate that, but
Oh, that's so big.
yeah.
So much walking.
Uh-huh. There you go.
If you came here and you wanted to go up this big, you have to be a good rock climber like me.
Yeah, like you.
Uh-huh.
Are you a real good rock climber?
Yeah, from last video.
Oh yeah, you can see one of the videos that Jack did at Central Park when he was rock climbing, right? Let's make a left right here. Left.
A left? Oh yeah,
Uh-huh.
that's not
That way, all right. All right. Jack, Wait, niño. Jack, okay. It started to rain.
Yeah. Don't worry.
All right, Jack. I think we have to find the way home, the way back home, because it started to rain, right? Well, it's not raining, it's just drizzling, but that's a sign that it's gonna rain
Really hard.
in a little while.
It's a little rocky here.
Yeah? This is not rocky. Those are the roots of all the trees that are around us.
But
Yeah. Right?
it's not a wide rocky.
Yeah?
So that's and it's smooth and it's smooth.
Oh,
So
okay.
it cannot be moved.
Yeah. And look, we're in the right path. You can see the sign right there. Whoa. That's very cool. All right, let's see now.
The squiggly tree we saw last time. So we have to keep on walking, I think.
Yeah. There is a saying here in this forest. There are like,
Squiggly trees.
yeah?
These are not any.
Mhm.
Like the root, like this part, the stem.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Like the part the signs are
Uh-huh.
on. Yeah. That
Yeah.
part, that's the part that's squiggly.
Oh, I see.
Like
Okay.
the sun, like I'm going here. Like the sun's there, and then it changed here,
Oh, yeah?
and like it grew this way, and then it changed here, and
Yeah.
then it grew this way, and then it changed here, and then
Really?
it grew this.
Yeah.
So that's what made it squiggly.
It's quickly.
Huh?
Why? Because they're looking at the sunlight?
Yeah, they want to go to the sunlight.
Oh,
they
that's
need
why the
sunlight.
trees grow in
Squiggly.
different shapes?
Huh? No,
Quickly.
yeah,
Oh, okay. Because
squiggly.
they go where the light is, right? The sunlight.
Yeah, when they need it.
Oh, I see. Okay, that's a good information, Jack. That's probably one reason why, right?
No, that's all the views.
Oh, that's the only reason?
Why?
Okay. All right. Well, maybe. Look, Jack.
Huh?
I can see that tree over there,
And I felt the droplet on my
and
arm.
I think that's a rabbit house.
Yeah.
what do you think?
Or Woody's house.
Or Woody?
He
That's
probably
very
moved.
What?
He probably moved.
He moved
Uh-huh.
down there?
Uh-huh.
Hey, let's see. That's a big hole in the middle of the tree.
Huh?
You think that's a house? Yeah? All right.
Because there's a bus, someone going on a bicycle there.
Yeah. Okay, we're looking at here. Maybe somewhere around there. All
I'm
right.
not seeing any squiggly trees, so
No?
we'll still have to hike.
Mm-hmm.
And
Wow.
I don't see any shelters and stuff.
But look, there is more trees that are on the ground. Look. Huh? Look, this looks like they've been cut down. Look at this. But it's probably because so we can pass through, right? Right, Jack? Because they're right down in the middle. They just want to leave them there, right? Let's see. And it's a lot of trees, a lot of wood around. Look, another tree with a hole on the bottom. It looks really like a cool rabbit house. You think so? Yeah? Right? It's pretty cool.
Like Peter Rabbit.
Look, that tree in the back out there. One trunk is broken, right? What? What do you look at there? Whoa, what is down there? All right, Jack. Look what we found. We're gonna show everybody something amazing that we
Look,
found.
let's see the first one we saw.
Right there. I don't know if you can see that, guys. Something very strange. I'm pretty sure somebody made this. I don't think.
It's probably shelter where people live.
Really? You think someone around here then?
Yeah, because I see throwing fruits.
Oh my God. So what do you think is, Jack?
Oh,
Look,
look,
there's
another
another one over there.
When we
Wow.
just saw it, we thought it was a dinosaur bone.
You thought it was the dinosaur bones?
Yeah, but it actually
But it's
shelter.
actually shelter. Really?
Uh-huh.
And it's somebody in the back, Jack. Somebody back there. Yeah? Oh, maybe it's her house.
No,
What do you think?
No.
No? Okay, let's go. Here. Let's look at the other one.
yeah, this
Come,
so
come, look.
cool.
It's so cool, right? Watch out. Watch your step. Okay. Look at the other one. Wow.
Wow,
That's pretty cool, right, Jack?
really cool, not pretty cool.
Oh, really cool. Yes? Wow. All right. Let's go. Let's
They
see.
probably made those out of branches.
Yeah, definitely. All right, let's go. All right, Jack. This was a really nice adventure, right? We looked through all the forest. Well, not all the forest because this forest is huge. However, we've seen a lot of good stuff, right?
We don't know.
All right, guys. I hope you guys like it, right?
Please
So-
subscribe and give us a big thumbs up.
All right.
Smash that like button.
Yeah. All right. So see you next time in.
Jack's Journal.
Bye. Bye. See ya.